Hello dear, without wasting your time we are going to share best fabric conditioner for clothes 2022. The number 1 on the list is Whipple fabric conditioner. The 160 white Whipple Power Clean X80 heavy duty cloths per brag box. 1 box case Whipple Power Clean X80 heavy duty cloths. Our durable wipes absorb more water and oil than textile shop rags and stay strong for superior performance. Each industrial cloth measures 11.1 x 16.8 and cleans oil, dirt, grime and solvents. The brag box is designed for easy one at a time. Dispensing proprietary HydroKnit technology is fast absorbing to wick away moisture. Disposable cloths clean oil, dirt, grime and solvents while remaining resistant to harsh clean. Number 2 on the list is laundry detergent for delicates. The non-toxic formula adds scent while removing odor, cruelty-free, no animal byproducts, free of petroleum, phosphate, phthalates, and artificial color. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. 3 on the list is Woolite Delicates Hypoallergenic Liquid Laundry Detergent. Hypoallergenic formula that is gentle on skin, hands and clothes, keeps the clothes you love looking like new even after 30 washes, does not cause fading, shrinking or stretching, even on fabrics such as wool, silk, cashmere, cotton, satin and polyester. Number 4 on the list is Lysol fabric conditioner. Tested and proven to kill COVID-19 virus. Kills SARS-CoV-2 during pre-soak conditions in 5 minutes. EPA Reg No. 777 128 kills 99.9% of bacteria detergents leave behind when used as directed, contains 0% bleach, works even in cold water, works in all standard and heat washing machines, suitable for use on baby clothes, gym clothes, undergarments, towels, bedding. Delicates. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Our clothes are in constant contact with bacteria throughout our day-to-day activities. The number 5 on the list is Wool Dryer Balls fabric conditioner. Hello. Superior quality wool, 100% New Zealand premium wool with no synthetic fillers, rolled into tight, extra large balls, and felted for a natural, long-lasting product. Reusable fabric softener. Replace chemically infused dryer sheets and liquid fabric softeners with an eco-friendly and natural alternative that will last more than 1,000 dryer loads. Speed up drying time as the dryer balls tumble around in the dryer. They lift in separate laundry, allowing the hot air to circulate better and dry faster. Save energy costs. Reduce appliance usage and electricity bills by shortening drying time up to 25%. Reduce static cling. Toss them into the dryer, and your clothing will dry faster, fluffier and softer, with fewer wrinkles and less static cling. Fresh scent dryer balls. Energy saver dryer balls. Reusable dryer balls. Natural fabric softener. Our dryer balls are made from 100% premium New Zealand wool. Using them in the dryer eliminates the need for chemical laden fabric softeners and toxic dryer sheets. A few drops of essential oil can even be added to the ball to create a natural fresh scent. Reduce time and energy costs as they tumble around in the dryer. Wool dryer balls lift in separate laundry, allowing the hot air to circulate better. Toss them into the dryer, and your clothing will dry faster, fluffier and softer, with fewer wrinkles and less static cling. Reusable dryer balls. Discover a healthier, efficient, inexpensive approach to drying laundry. These large felted 100% New Zealand wool dryer balls are the economical alternative to replace chemically infused dryer sheets and fabric softeners. Reuse for more than 1,000. Hypoallergenic formula that is gentle on skin, hands and clothes, keeps the clothes you love looking like new even after 30 washes, does not cause fading, shrinking or stretching, even on fabrics such as wool, silk, cashmere, cotton, satin and polyester. Suitable for hand wash, regular machine or heat washers. Contains no bleach, phosphates or enzymes which can be harsh on your clothes. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Disclaimer: while we work to ensure that product information is correct, on occasion manufacturers may alter their ingredient lists. Actual product packaging and materials may contain more and/or different information than that shown on our website. We recommend that you do not solely rely on the information presented, and that you always read labels, warnings, and directions before using or consuming a product. For additional information about a product, please contact the manufacturer. Content on this site is for reference purposes and is not intended to substitute for advice given by a physician, pharmacist, or other licensed healthcare professional. You should not use this information as self-diagnosis or for treating a health problem or disease. Contact your healthcare provider immediately if you suspect that you have a medical problem. Information and statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Amazon.com assumes no liability for inaccuracies or misstatements about products. Non-toxic formula adds scent while removing odor. Cruelty-free, no animal byproducts, free of petroleum, phosphate, phthalates, and artificial color. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. We know how tricky it can be to care for delicates. From lingerie and other items labeled dry clean to silk blouses and scarves, durable for scrubbing. They are made of soft pulp fibers, bonded to a polypropylene base sheet for absorbency and durability, making them suitable for removing dirt, oil, grime and solvents in industrial and manufacturing businesses. The reusable cloths are reinforced for strength when wet and dry. Plus, they come in a convenient brag box, dispenses one at a time, as an alternative to a box of rags, and are so sturdy that they can often be used more than once. Once you've used them a few times, they're disposable. These bulk cloths are a great alternative, safer and more efficient to replace laundered rental shop towels or in cleaning towels. Use them for heavy-duty machine and part wiping metal shavings, prepping surfaces with solvents and cleaning rough surfaces. After all, every business gets dirty. But for the toughest grease,